Hi students, welcome back to Chakravarti e-classroom. We are going to discuss three fantastic questions from Profit and Loss chapter today. This is the second session. In the previous session we have discussed four questions based on basic concept of profit and loss. Today we are going to focus on discount problems, market price, discount, selling price, cost price. We are going to discuss the relationship among this one. But before that students, many students are asking for some very advanced questions at mains level. Yes, I am going to give you mains level questions also free on YouTube, don't worry. But after this one, let us have two to three sessions on profit and loss. After that, we are going to discuss some mains level questions, miscellaneous questions we are going to go for. Anyway students, all these three questions have been posted in our Telegram channel. And I have given the link of the Telegram channel below this video. If anybody has not joined that one, you please join so that you can get the questions one day in advance. Now start the session. This is your turn. You have to do the question first. First read the question properly and try to do it by yourself. I'll give you the timer. I'll on the timer. Okay, for 30 seconds. During these 30 seconds, if possible, you just try to solve the question or at least try to understand the question. Read the question properly. Alright, you must have got the idea. Alright, students, what we do here, before going for the solution, let me explain the concept of cost price, selling price, discount and a profit in a nutshell, so that if any beginner is there, you can understand the relationship among these terms. Let's take some imaginary numbers. How can we start? Let's take in this way. At a time, like in one glance, you are going to get the relationship among all these terms. In our regular course, in the basic class itself, I have discussed that. Anyway, let's take in this way. A trader's cost price of an article is, let us take 100 rupees. This is the cost price. Okay, and he marks that one market price. He marks that one, let us take 20% above the cost price. What do you mean by market price? Mark price, list price, labeled price, all are same. Mark price means over and above the cost price, they list one price. They label one price on an article. And generally based on the market price, they give the discount. Okay, now let's take, he has marked this one 20% above the cost price. Now obviously the market price is 120. Very simple. Then he allows a discount of 10%. Always remember students, discount is allowed on the market price. Market price minus discount will give me the selling price. Okay, so now obviously when discount is 10% and market price is 120, what is the selling price? Simply on 120, 10% is discount. 10% should go. How much will be remaining? 90%. So here 120 into 90% is the selling price. Half this fraction I told you in the previous sessions also. Just go for the simplification. This one, selling price is 12 nines 108. Right. Now cost price is 100. Selling price is 108. What is the profit percent, you tell me? Simply profit percent is net profit by cost price into 100. Here net profit is 8 divided by cost price. Always profit or loss are reckoned on the cost price. You know this one. Okay. So now here 108 minus 100 is 8. 8 rupees is the net profit. 8 by 100 cost price into 100, you will get the profit percentage. Now profit percent in this transaction is 8. What did you understand from this one? On selling, on cost price, let's start with the cost price. On cost price, 20% above that the trader has marked, market price is 120. And he wants to allow a discount of 10%, let us say for cash payment. 10% is discount. Then selling price will become 120, profit percentage 8%. I hope you understood the relationship among the terms cost price, market price, discount, selling price and profit percentage. With a simple example I have given. Before solving this question, to have understanding of this one is very important. Here main points are profit or loss will be calculated on cost price. Discount is always deducted from the market price. Discount percentage is always given on the market price. Mark price minus discount is equal to selling price. This is the relationship. Okay, now let us apply this concept to solve this question. Let's go for this one. Anyway students, I am going to solve this question with a simple shortcut. As it is, I go with the two methods. One is with the concept, other one is the shortcut. But in this case, concept itself is a shortcut. I am going to take the shortcut. How? First let us start in this way. Shopkeeper allows a discount of 30% and earns a profit of 20%. Alright, let us take in this way. First start with the profit. Listen very carefully students, because I am going to use the unitary method for this one. Okay, so profit percentage is 20%. So 20% is nothing but 1 by 5. You know this one. How to define this 1 by 5? When profit is 20% or 1 by 5? Obviously, in the basic classes I have given you this one. This 5 becomes the cost price, 1 becomes the profit. Simple. 5 becomes the cost price, 1 becomes the profit. Obviously, selling price is cost price plus profit. 5 plus 1, 6. That means I started this question with the imaginary number. This is the unitary method. Okay, finally we'll go and compare this number with that of the imaginary numbers. Alright, so now here according to me, cost price is 5 rupees, selling price is 6 rupees. Now I need to get the market price with my imaginary numbers. Listen very carefully students. So here they have given the discount of how much percentage? 30% discount. What do you mean by that one? So to get this market price, or the relationship between market price and the selling price is like this. 30% is the discount. That means market price minus 30% will give me selling price. If market price is 100%, 100 minus 30% is 70%. So 70% of the market price is selling price. That means this selling price 6 is 70% of the market price is 6. Then what is the market price? 100% is how much? You learn this basic method. After that I'll give a shortcut for even this one also. Now you got the idea? 70% of the market price is 6. 100% is how much? 100 by 70 into 6. That's simply 60 by 7. Got the clarity? According to my imaginary numbers, market price is 60 by 7. Got it? But here I got a fraction. How to avoid the fraction? In the next one, that means next method, shortcut method, I'll tell you. But before going for that blind shortcut method, you should know the basic. Now here you understood this cost price I have taken as 5, my imaginary number only. You can take any number you want. Okay. Then selling price is 6 because that is 20% profit. After that mark price is 60 by 70. But fraction is there. Just eliminate that one. Avoid the fraction. How? Simply you multiply this one with 7. 7 will be cancelled. That is 60. When you are multiplying this one with 7, the other two terms must be multiplied by 7. So that the value should not be changed. Now clearly this is 35 and this is 42. Now my new set of imaginary numbers are 35 cost price, 42 selling price, mark price is 60. These numbers are according to the percentage given in the question only. I have taken these numbers for my convenience. Now what is this one? If he gets 147 as the profit, find the discount. Profit is given, discount is to be found out. According to my imaginary numbers, what is the profit you tell me? Profit means selling price minus cost price, 42 minus 35. that is 7. Profit is 7. Now what is the discount here? Why discount? Because I need to find out the discount. According to my imaginary numbers, what is the discount here? Discount is 60 minus 40. To 60 minus 40 is 20. 20 minus 2 is 18. 18 is the discount. Now try to compare these imaginary numbers with that of the actual number given in the problem. This is the unitary method. Right? How to compare this one? Very simple here. If 7 is the profit, my discount is 18, imaginary number. If 147 is the profit, what is the discount? How simple this one. Students, always I follow this type of methods. This is the beauty of unitary method. Unitary method means start with imaginary numbers according to the conditions given in the question. After that, compare the real number, actual number given in the problem with the imaginary numbers. Simply, if profit is 7, this is 18, profit is 147, what is the discount, actual discount? That is 147 by 7 into 18, that's it. This is 721s, then 18 into 21. What is 18 into 21? 18 into 20, 360. 18 into 1, 18, 360 plus 18, 378 is my answer. So where is 378? Have they given in the options? Of course, yes, indeed. Option number D. So my answer is 378. Hope this is clear for all of you. What? Now we'll go for the blind method for this one. There is a blind method also, but students, I always give you the basic methods like this. Even if this is also a shortcut for regular method, taking something as x or y. But still we'll go for a blind method, but I suggest you this method. I advise you, you have to use this blind method only when question is in this format. Or logic is in this format, right? What's the blind method? Up to this extent, this is the same. Otherwise, I'll write here. I'll write everything. I'll write quickly. We'll go for quickly we go for right. Blind method is like this. First, start with the profit or loss, whatever it may be. Here they have given profit as 20%. That is 1 by 5. In this case, 5 is the cost price. As I told you just now, 1 is the profit. Selling price is 5 plus 1. That is 6. Start like this only. Cost price is equal to 5. Selling price is 6. I need not take the profit. Now before going for the market price, first go for the discount percentage in the shortcut. What is the discount percentage? That is 30%. 30% is nothing but 30 by 100 or 3 by 10. How to interpret this 3 by 10? Here 10 is the market price, 2 is the discount. You know this one in the basic sessions I have given you. Alright, so 10 is the market price, 3 is the discount. Market price minus discount will give me the selling price. Selling price here is 10 minus 3, that is 7. So students, I take market price as 10. But there is a mismatch. Why there is a mismatch? According to this one, selling price is 6. Listen carefully, this is a blind method. But according to this one, according to this 30% discount, selling price is 7. Then which one shall I take? Simple one, students. Now, according to this profit, selling price is 6. According to discount, market price is 10. Now, you have to compare selling price and market price. For that one, simply multiply this market price with the selling price, that is 6. Similarly, according to this profit, selling price is 6, cost price is 5. But here, according to the discount, selling price is 7. To balance that one, you need to multiply this cost price and selling price with the new selling price into 7, into 7. You won't get any fraction. Both are one and same, but here you may save some time. Simply you can do this one. How much time would it be taking? Take the profit first according to that cost price, selling price. Take the discount according to that market price. The old selling price into market price. Then the new selling price into cost price and selling price. Now you will get this is 35, this is 42 and this is 60. Same previous numbers. Now these two will give us the profit and minus this one 60 minus 42 discount and compare that one with the actual numbers given in the question. How simple this one. Isn't it simple for you, right? So simply my answer is 378. What's the second question? Now this question must be done by you only, students, right? Must be done by you. I just start the timer. 30 seconds I'll give you. Try to do the question within 30 seconds, or at least try to understand the logic in the question. Right. They are asking the question based on percentage. First, try to understand the question properly. By how much percent a trader mark his goods above the cost price to get 10% profit even after allowing a discount of 25%. See, if we go with still shortcut way, still like a simpler way, I don't even need the selling price also. In our regular course I have given that one. Simply we can compare cost price with market price with the help of discount and profit. There is a direct formula for that one, but you may be confused because some students may be beginners here. For that reason, we'll go with the same method which I have discussed the first question. Okay, right. So here, by how much percent a trader marks his goods above the cost price to get 10% even after allowing a discount of some discount 25. So here I need to find out the cost price and mark price. These two are important. Okay. And here they have asked how much percent trader mark his goods above the cost price. That means mark price minus cost price divided by cost price into 100 is my answer. You have to get this idea first. Very, very important, right? How much percent above the cost price, market price should be there. Percentage wise, that is based on the cost price only. How much above the cost price will become the denominator. Difference between marked and cost price divided by cost price into 100. So I need here numbers, convenient numbers, figures for marked and cost price with the help of discount and profit. Let's go with the same method here. First start with the profit, students. What is the profit? To get 10% profit. So here I am writing 10% profit, 10% is 1 by 10. That means here 10 is the cost price, 1 is the profit. Selling price is 10 plus 1, 11. Clear? No doubt about this one. Alright, but when you go to the mark price here, I am directly going with the shortcut. When you go for the mark price, here discount is 25%. Alright, so 25% is 1 by 4. How would you interpret this 1 by 4? Well, because this is the discount. Here 4 is the market price, 1 is the discount. In this case, selling price is 4 minus 1, 3. Now in the previous case, selling price is 10 plus 1, 11. You have to balance it. Directly with the shortcut I am doing here, you have to balance this one. This market price 4 must be multiplied with this selling price. This is the blind method, shortcut way. Okay, that is 4 into 11, 44. Now, the old cost price and selling price must be matching with this one, the market price actually. So, these two must be multiplied by 3 so that the equation will be matched. So, now here 10 into 3, 33. Sorry, 10 into 3, 30 and 11 into 3, 33. Oh. Based on these figures, you have to answer the question. These are imaginary numbers according to the given percentages in the question. Now finally, the actual number given in the question must be matched with the imaginary numbers, right? But before going for that one, students, if you want to go with the conventional way, what is that one? Instead of directly cross multiplying this one, I told you here selling price is 11. Selling price is 11 means after how much discount? This is 25% discount. That means 75% of the market price is 11, 100% is how much? That is the 75 mean 100 by 75. or 4 by 3, whatever it may be. Directly you can do it 4 by 3 also, into 11. That is 44 by 3. 44 by 3. See the figures. Now it is 44. So in the previous case, that is 44 by 3 means multiplied by 3. Again these two will be multiplied by 3. You will get the same numbers. Now you got the clarity? Fine. Now I am going for the final step in the unitary method. What is the final step here? Here, by how much percent a trader marks above the cost price? Cost price is 30. Mark price is 44. Now 44 minus 30, that is 14 upon cost price, because comparison is based on the cost price. I have to show that one in terms of the percentage, that is 100. So clearly this will be gone, and 140 by 3 percentage is the answer. But generally percentage must be shown in terms of decimals or mixed fraction. I am going for the mixed fraction here, that is 3 fourths 12. 3 fourths 12, 2 is the remainder, then 3 6. Again 2 is the remainder, 2 by 3. My answer is 46 2 by 3 percentage is the answer. So 46 2 by 3, yes, they have given this one. This is C. Is the right one. If this is not there, you can go for none of this. I hope you understood this method. These methods are very good methods, advanced methods to solve profit and loss questions. In the examination, you have to follow these methods only. All our questions in the foundation classes, we have used the same methods. Okay, now go for the next question. You have to do this question. You must do this one. Same type of question, but the final question is in a different way. Logic is same. Here, again you take the same time here. Just try to read the question. If any beginner is there, try to read it. Just take 30 seconds time. Simple question. Alright, at least you have read the question, isn't it? Fine. Now go for this. A trader marks his goods in such a way that after allowing a discount of 20%, discount is 20%, he can get a profit of 25%. Then if the cost price is 4,800, what is the marked price? They have given the cost price, I need to find out the marked price. But to go for that, we will go with the imaginary numbers by following the unitary method. First, you imagine some numbers for cost price, selling price and mark price. After that, we will go for profit, discount, whatever it may be. Then finally, we are going to compare with the actual cost price. Okay, now how to go for this one? First, profit is 25%. I am doing in the same way. Profit is 25%. 25% is nothing but 1 by 4. 1 by 4 means 4 is the cost price, 1 is the profit. Obviously, the selling price is 4 plus 1, 5 is the selling price. Now here, cost price I am taking as 4. It does not mean that you have to take it as 4. You can take it 100 also, 500 also, depending upon your convenience. I am taking cost price 4. Correspondingly, the selling price is 5 because 25% is the profit. Now, go for the discount. How much is the discount here? 20% is the discount. 20% is 1 by 5. In this case, market price is, this is the market price. This is the discount. Then selling price is 5 minus 1. Mark price minus discount will give you the selling price. So, this is 5 minus 1. Selling price is 4. But you have to match the equation. How to match it? If you take market price as here 5, now this is 5, mark price as 5, then the match should be there because selling price here is 4, here selling price is 5, it should be matched. For that reason, this cost price and selling price must be multiplied by 4, shortcut this one, okay, that is into 4, into 4, alright. Then this market price, this one must be multiplied with the previous selling price. Previous in the sense in terms of profit. So now here it is into 5. This shortcut is to avoid the fractions, that's it. Avoid the fractions. Now simply go for this one. This is 16, this is 20 and this is 25. Clear. Now here the question is, I am writing the final step. If the cost price is 4,800, what is the market price? Now according to my imaginary numbers, by following the rules given in the question, percentages, cost price is 16, mark price is 25. That means if cost price is 16, mark price is 25. If the original cost price is 4,800, what should be the market price is the question. Simply that is 4,800 divided by 16 into 25. So this is 3 times, this is 300. Alright, 25, 375. I am writing the final answer here. 75, after that 2 zeros. 7,500 is the final answer. I hope this is clear for all of you. Alright, so 7,500, yes, that is in option number C. You have to do the market price questions when discount is there directly like this. Or if the comparison is there between marked and cost price, you can use the direct thing also, I told you, but you will be confused. Beginners may be confused. That's the reason why I have not given that one directly. You can do that one. The relationship between cost price and market price is cost price minus discount. Cost price is to market price. Cost price minus discount and market price in the same way that can be taken as if you take market price as 100, market price plus profit, you can take the ratio. With that ratio also you can solve this question. But as of now you follow these methods. 2 methods I have given. These 2 are perfect methods to go for profit and loss questions based on the discount. Hope this is clear for all of you. Thank you very much students, and I request you to share this video with all your friends, circles, so that any student who is really in need of this one will be definitely benefited. Thank you very much students.